Gavin. Yeah. Where's Daddy at? Where? Where's that at? It's far away. Do you miss Daddy?
Yeah.
How much do you miss Daddy?
Yeah.
A lot. How much is a lot?
5 and 6 and 1.
5 and 6 and 1?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you miss him more than watermelon?
Yeah.
What does Daddy do with you?
What?
He wrestles you?
And
He tickles you too?
and beat my up.
He beats you up?
Yeah.
I hope he doesn't beat you up.
Yeah.
You'd like him to beat you up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What do you want to say to Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, tell Daddy bye.
Bye.